सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. Dear devotees and disciples from all over the world, let me enter into the Yoga Sutra, the today's Patanjali Yoga Sutra. Today's sutra is 99th sutra in second chapter, 48th verse. Subject is reprogram your brain. Tata dvandva anabhigataha anabhigataha tata dvandva anabhigataha. That is a sutra. I'll give you the translation by Swami Vivekananda. Posture being conquered, the dualities do not obstruct. And Swami Prabhavananda translates us, thereafter one is no longer troubled by the dualities of sense experience. Swami Satchidananda translates us, thereafter one is not disturbed by the dualities. In the sutra, Patanjali tries to explain how after conquering the posture, the pain and pleasure of the body is conquered. You are no more caught by it. Please understand. The last sutra I have detailed way explained how to conquer posture. Sukham stiram asanam. Steady and comfortable. Now I will give you a technique. I will make you do that. Last time I explained the theory of being steady and comfortable. Stiram, sukham. Now I will give you the exact technique. Please understand. I will give you the instruction for the technique. How to make your body balanced. After giving the instruction, I will explain step by step how keeping the body balanced takes you beyond pain and pleasure. See, if you keep the body balanced, you know you will not have pain. You will have the stable, steady posture. You may be wondering, how can that take me beyond pleasure? Actually, when you keep the body balanced, the intense, innate, inside pleasure gets awakened. Please understand. Your muscle, by its nature, creates pleasure just because it is alive. I don't know how you are going to catch what I am saying. If the life force is infused into the muscle, if the muscle is aware that it is alive, it will create pleasure. So when you balance your body, the life force is experienced inside muscle, which leads to intense inner pleasure, which takes you beyond the outer pleasure. J. Krishnamurti says, when you enjoy any pleasure, just be aware. Only once go through any pleasure being aware, you will be completed in that pleasure and you will be liberated from it. This is what J. Krishnamurti means. when you are alive, when you are alive in your muscles, the pressure created is so strong, so intense, you will go beyond the outer pressure. Let me give you the instruction exactly for balancing. Sit either in Vajrasana or Padmasana and Sukhasana. Then try to find out in which position your upper body feels most light, weightless. See, if you push your don't do now, first listen to the instruction. If you push your body with closed eyes like this, you know, you will feel the weight of the body. And slowly try to bring. At one point, when it is straight, when the equilibrium is completely balanced, when the whole weight falls in the center, you will feel your body is weightless. Same way, try side, left side. You will feel the heaviness of the body. Then again slowly raise your body. Actually, when you balance like this, if you wear like this heavy jewel, it will be useful. Heavy Rudraksha, you will really catch the exact point. It's one more use of energy beads. If you balance, at one point you will see, again your body is weightless. Push the body to the right side. Again, start step by step with deep awareness. Bring your body slowly. At one point, you will see, wow, I am weightless. Same way back side. Slowly bring. At one point, you will feel you are weightless. Try this in all four directions. You will find the balance posture for you. It may take totally 3 to 4 minutes. That's it, nothing else. You need to bend to the front, feel the heaviness of the body, and slowly push it back. You need to bend side, feel the weight, and slowly push it to the center, and this side and back side. Any direction in these four, any direction you can start, but you need to do from all four. Only then you will find out that balance point for you. Only then you will find out the balance point for you. Please understand, the moment you find out your balance point and be centered, immediately you will see there is no pain. You can sit for any number of hours. Actually, next 4 days, all the NSP participants, you can see. Practically, I will be sitting with you around 10 hours. You will not see me having any discomfort or uncomfort. You will see exactly me sitting in the same posture. You can note. Next 4 days, you can see. I will be sitting exactly in the same posture, 10 hours a day with you all. At least 10 hours a day. You will not see me having any discomfort, uncomfort, anything. Last 10 years, at least 10,000 hours I would have sat in the same posture. No discomfort, no uncomfort, no pain, nothing. Your body will master the posture. When you sit in the proper posture and have the Samana Mudra, immediately you will experience the psychological Kundalini awakening. Means you will become light. Psychological levitation will happen. You will become light. Then few days of practice, the physical levitation also will happen. Please do not imitate Samana Mudra from me. See, whenever I do Samana Mudra, I put left thumb on the top. You don't imitate. You do only right thumb on the top. Actually, I am imbalancing Samana a little bit. Only then I will not levitate. That's why. So I'll just imbalance a little bit so that I can be settled, and not only, of course, I don't physically levitate. I have balanced that much. Even otherwise, to talk, to relate with you all, I need to little, very mild percent, but Samana need to be little imbalanced. Imbalance means like other energies need to be added, kept alive. So whenever I put myself in Samana Mudra, it will be left thumb up. But whenever you do, it is supposed to be right thumb up. Now, let us balance. Let me give the instruction. Push the body to the front side and slowly move back and find out at what posture your body is completely balanced and weightless. Let us do the first step. Please push the body forward as much as you can and get it back very slowly, very slowly. First feel the heaviness of the body. Push it forward. Feel the heaviness, weight of the upper body. Backbone should be straight. It should be straight. Then slowly bring it back. Please try this balancing. Then push the body left side now. Left side. Feel the heaviness, weight of the body, and slowly bring it back. Find out the center in which body is weightless. Now push the body to the right side. Fully, completely. Push it as much as you can. Slowly. Bring it back. To the center. And try to find the center where you are weightless. Now push the body backward. Push it backside as much as you can. Bring it back very slowly with awareness. Find the point you are weightless. If you want, you can take few more seconds and try once more from any direction you want. Right or left or back or front. Now let us understand what Patanjali means by tata dvandva anabhigataha. When the posture is conquered, there is no dualities, means pain and pleasure, excitement and boredom. Body completely feels balanced, settled, alive. So all we need to do is aligning the body every day before you sit for your meditation. Take these 3 minutes and align your body. You will see now, all the aligned body, the Kundalini awakening will be very easy. When the body is aligned, the awakening of the Kundalini becomes very easy. Just the backbone structure is such, the energy very easily flows from center to center to the crown. I'll guide you all into the simple process of balancing your backbone. See, now what we did with that, you balanced your backbone posture externally. I'll align your nadis, energy centers now internally. Don't move the body now. Once you freeze it, freeze it. Settle, stay still. Once you freeze, then just be still. If your body moves because of the Kundalini awakening, then it is okay. You yourself don't move in ordinary way. I'll awaken your inner energy and align your posture through these proper syllables, the bija mantras. Om. Let your root center be completely awakened. Let the Kula Kundalini Mahashakti in your root center be awakened. Let the Ganesha Mahadeva, who is stable in your root center, be alive. Let the Kundalini Shakti in your Swadhisthana, being center, be alive and awakened. Let your Manipuraga be awakened. Let the Kundalini Shakti align itself and flow towards the crown center. Let it reach the crown center and experience the communion with Sadashiva, Maheshwara.
सदा शिवं भजाम्यहं सदा शिवं भजाम्यहं.
The Kundalini intensely penetrate your every cell. Your cell energy, let it become alive and active. Let your bioenergy overflow in your body. Let awakened Kundalini Shakti reach the crown center. At the crown center, feel the overflowing energy and bliss.
कराल भाल वट्टिका दगद् दगद् दगज्ज्वल धनञ्जयाहुति कृत प्रचण्ड पञ्चसायके धराधरेन्द्र नन्दिनी कुचाग्र चित्र पत्रकार कल्पनैक शिल्पिनी त्रिलोचने रतिर्मम नवीन मेघ मण्डली निरुद्ध दुर्धर स्फुरत् कुहूनिशीतिनी तम प्रबन्ध बद्ध कन्दर निलिम्ब निर्झरीधर स्तनोतु कृत्ति सिन्धुर कलानिधान बन्धुर श्रियं जगद्दुरन्दर. पंकज प्रपंचकारिमा धराधरेन्द्र नन्दिनी विलास बन्धु बन्धुर स्फुरद्दिगन्त सन्तति प्रमोदमान मानसे कृपाकटाक्ष धोरणी निरुद्ध दुर्धरापदि क्वचित् दिगम्बरे मनो विनोद मेतु वस्तुनि जटाभुजङ्ग पिङ्गळ स्फुरद्फणामणि कदम्ब कुङ्कुमध्रव प्रलिप्त दिग्वधूमुखे मदान्त सिन्धुर स्फुरत् पगुत्तरीय मेधुरे मनो विनोदमद्भुतं बिभर्तु भूतभर्तरी. सदा शिवं भजाम्यहं सदा शिवं भजाम्यहं. ॐ नमः शिवाय. सहस्रलोचन प्रभृत्य शेषलेख शेखर प्रसूल धूलि तोरणी विदूसराङ्घ्रिपीठ भुजङ्गराजमालया निबद्ध जाट चूटक श्रियै चिराय जायतां चकोर बन्धुशेखर ललाटज्वलज्वल धनञ्जय स्फुलिङ्ग पाविवीत पञ्चसायकं नमन्निलिम्बनायकं सुधामयूखलेखया विराजमान शेखरं महाकपालि सम्पदे शिरोजटालमस्तु. कृत प्रचण्ड पञ्चसायके धराधरेन्द्र नन्दिनी कुचाग्र चित्र पत्रकार कल्पनैक शिल्पिनी त्रिलोचने रतिर्मम जटाटवी गलज्जल प्रवाह पावितस्थले कलेवलं व्यलम्बिताम्बुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिकां ढमड्ढमड्ढमड्ढमन्निनादमड्ढमर्वयं चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिव शिवम्. जटाकटाह सम्भ्रम भ्रमन्निलिम्ब निर्जरी विलोलवीचि वल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनि धगद् धगद् धगज्ज्वलल्ललाट पट्टपावके किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे रति प्रदक्षिणं मम. दिग्वधूमुखे मदान्त सिन्धुरस्फुरत्वगुत्तरीय मेदुरे मनोविनोदमद्भुतं बिभर्तु भूतभर्धरी शिवं भजाम्यहं सदा शिवं भजाम्यहम् नमः शिवाय सहस्रलोचन प्रभृत्य शेषलेखशेखर प्रसूलधूलिधोरणि विदूसराङ्घ्रिपीठं भुजङ्गराजमालया निबद्धजाटचूटक श्रियै चिराय जायतां चकोरबन्धुशेखर ललाटचत्वरज्वलद्धनञ्जय स्फुलिङ्गपाणिपीतपञ्चसायकं नमन्निलिम्पनायकं सुधामयूखलेखया विराजमानशेखरं महागपालि सम्पदे शिरोजटालमस्तु
नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय Relax. I bless you all. Live, radiate, share the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you.